Hello, welcome to this peaceful morning. Before you begin your day, take a few moments just for yourself. Sit comfortably, relax your body, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Again, take a deep breath in and release all stress and negativity. This is a new day, a fresh beginning, a new opportunity to grow, heal, and shine. Allow your mind to relax and simply listen to these positive affirmations. Let's begin. Today is a beautiful and positive day. I am calm. I am safe. I am peaceful. I welcome happiness and positivity into my life. I believe in myself. I am becoming more confident every single day. I have the strength to overcome every challenge. My mind is calm and clear. I choose positive thoughts today. I deserve happiness, peace, and success. Good things are flowing into my life. I trust the journey of my life. The universe is working in my favor. I am attracting positive energy. I am grateful for this new day. I release all fear and doubt. I choose confidence over fear. I am strong. I am capable. I am enough. I love and respect myself. My thoughts create my future, so I choose positive thoughts. I am growing into the best version of myself. I deserve success and abundance. Everything is happening for my highest good. I am proud of how far I have come. My life is filled with opportunities. I radiate peace, confidence, and positivity. Today I allow myself to shine. I trust myself. I trust life. I am surrounded by love and blessings. Every breath fills me with calmness and energy. I release negative thoughts. I forgive myself, and I allow myself to begin again. My heart is peaceful. My mind is powerful. I attract success naturally. I am becoming mentally stronger every day. Today I choose happiness. Today I choose gratitude. Today I choose peace. Now slowly take a deep breath in and breathe out gently. Feel your body relaxing. Feel your mind becoming lighter. Imagine a warm, peaceful light surrounding you. You are safe, you are peaceful, and you are powerful. Let all positivity flow through your mind and heart. Carry this peaceful energy with you throughout the day. Believe in yourself, because you are stronger than you think. You are capable of beautiful things. Listen to these affirmations every morning and slowly transform your mindset and your life. Have a beautiful and peaceful day.